Today I'm posting cardiac. Yesterday I was in recipe.
Also, my studies is not going full on. The mornings are the best part of the day, to be really honest, because I really wake up, like properly wake up after I have my morning coffee. So yeah, all the coffee lovers, please comment down below how much you love coffee.
Such a beautiful sunlight is coming. It's so pretty that the light is coming on the face. I love sunlight. I love sun which is there in the early mornings. So I'm going for my postings. I am posted in CBDC right now and today is my last day in recipe. From tomorrow I go to a different posting in CBDC. Okay, so it's 3 o'clock and we got done with our lecture. Now heading back home. I'm very sleepy. I really need a nap. So I'm gonna run, reach home, and then we sleep, and then we see what we have for what we planned for the rest of the day.
I woke up from my nap. It wasn't a nap actually. I again slept for more than 1 hour. Almost 2 hours I slept. And now I'm having my tea. After this I will sit down to edit a reel for my Instagram, and I also have to make some post for a page that I handle. After all the editing work is done, we will head out for a walk or a run. I will probably run today because पूरा दिन बारिश नहीं हुआ. It's extremely dry, पूरा dry है. So we'll run today.
My hair is entirely wet. It's wet. I really want to quickly go wash my hair, have a bath and freshen up because it is so sticky. It is so hot. It's very sticky and it's very hot. So quickly I'll go home, have a shower, wash my hair and freshen up.
Around 10:30. It was a Monday today, and Monday is usually a light day. I don't really have a lot of work on Mondays. Also, my studies is not going full on because abhi exams khatam hue hain and I really want to take some break. I will start studying thoda bahut every day, something like a small topic. But today I didn't do anything. Right now I have to edit one reel for my Insta tomorrow, and then we meditate and then we sleep. Also, please let me know whether you like my haircut. I got this haircut 5 days back. So please let me know whether you like it or not. It's the same haircut actually. ये पहले भी किया हुआ haircut है. But I think it's become a little more short this time. But I think it will grow in some days. So please let me know whether you like this haircut or not. So yes, I'll see you tomorrow morning.
Come to college, we're gonna start our daily postings. Every single day this is like a schedule. In the morning we go for a posting and then lecture hoga in the afternoon. Today I'm posting cardiac. Yesterday I was in recipe. I am excited to see the cardiac awards today. So let's go. We have a lecture at 11, so running for my lecture now.
I slept. Now I am having some boiled chana, which is like the chana masala which you get in Juhu Beach, with some chaat masala, salt and tomatoes and some onions, and it tastes really good. It's also a very healthy option to snack on in the evening time around 5-6 o'clock when you are really hungry. It's a really healthy snack to have. Okay, so fast forward to 2 hours. It's now around 9:45, 10. So I actually went out for a meeting. Now I have to have my dinner. After that I really want to complete editing a reel, and I also want to work on one of the topics which we learned today in college, which is ankle joint. I find ankle joint the most difficult. I cannot imagine the bones in the ankle joint very properly. तो मुझे एक वो थोड़ा सा पढ़ना है आज. I also want to edit. I have to upload and have dinner.
So give me a minute to catch my breath. Take what's yours, I'll take what's left. I'm used to coming up second best. Always fail to pass the test. I'll be damned if I'm leaving without you.
All the shots, this is my most favorite shot because it's morning time and पीछे थोड़ा greenery भी आता है. So मुझे ये shot बहुत पसंद है out of all the shots that I take in the vlog. Now I'm heading for my postings and then दोपहर को same lecture है. So let's go. Okay, so our postings got over and today we had like a felicitation program in MLT. So my best friend had got an award for coming first. तो हम अभी MLT में थे and we got this patata vadas. So we're gonna have these patata vadas in lunch, also our tiffin, and then we have a lecture post lunch. So we're just heading to our class now. Very healthy pizza. I'm just having a lot of healthy snacks from yesterday. This is moong dal pizza. So we don't use bread. There is moong dal. And same pizza ka jo hota hai stuffing, there is corn, capsicum, cheese, onion and all of that. And it's really really good. I was not really tired today, so I thought that I can go out for a run. So right now I'm gonna go out for a quick run and then come back and then start doing the other stuff that's remaining for the day. So guys, मेरा बहुत बड़ा पचका हो गया. I went out and as soon as I started running, it started raining. So I couldn't run. I just did a walk. My entire shoes got wet. तो ठीक है, it's okay, we'll go for a run tomorrow or day after tomorrow. It's okay, weather was not in my hands, so I think it's fine.
She isn't fine. She can be hurting, but she's got enough love to fill up Tennessee. I met somebody, stays up at night. I see her worry and she sees all of mine. I met somebody, she really loves me, says I'm all she needs.
Okay, so I think I'll end the vlog here. I had a really tiring and an amazing day today. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I really appreciate each and everyone who watched the videos, and also I would love if you would subscribe to my channel as well, as it would really mean a lot to me, because a lot of efforts goes behind shooting, recording and editing. So when you hit that subscribe button, everything is just worth it. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Keep showing the love like you showed on my last video. Also don't forget to like, share and please comment down so that I know what you think about my videos. I will now see you in my next one.
I met somebody gentle and smart. He underestimates the size of his heart. He can be laughing, but he's got enough pain to fill up New York City. I met somebody so full of scars. The world's on his shoulders.